To fix network sharing problem in Windows 11, first click in Search. Here type Services. Make sure to select Run as Administrator. Once you have Services window, here we need to find 4 services. The first one would be Function Discovery Provider Host, Functional Discovery Resource Publication, third one SSDP Discovery, fourth one UPnP Device Host. You have to follow the same step for all 4 services. Simply right click on Services and select Properties. Here you need to change the startup type to Automatic. Then make sure the service's status showing running. If it's not running, then click on Start. Afterwards, click on Apply and OK. Follow the same step for all 4 services, and I hope this will fix your issue. If you still need help, you can contact us directly for 101 chat on Instagram or Facebook page. We will leave the link below.